Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English version. Math, exercise 4.1, math number 8. If a minus 1 by a equals to m, show that a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 equals to m to the power 4 plus 4m square plus 2. We have to prove that this left hand side equals to right hand side. Let's write the left hand side. Left hand side is left hand side equals to a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 equals to a square whole square plus 1 by a square whole square. Now this looks like a square plus b square, and we know formula a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and also we know a square minus b square plus b square equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Now this looks like a square plus b square, and let us use this formula. What happens? Equals to a square plus 1 by a square. This is a and this is b, so a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 2 into a into 1 by a. If simplified, this is just minus 2 equals to a square plus 1 by a square whole square minus 2. Now this also looks like a square plus b square, and we can apply formula either a square a plus b whole square minus 2ab or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Now it's our choice which one we should apply. We are given the value a minus 1 by a. There is a minus, so I think we should go for this formula and get the value equals to a minus 1 by a whole square. I am writing the quantity inside. A square plus 1 by a square equals to a minus 1 by a whole square plus 2ab plus 2ab. b means 1 by a. Then you see there was a whole square. Now we put the second bracket and put the square, and there was a minus 2 outside. Let's put that minus 2 equals to. Now we got the value. It is a minus 1 by a, and we can put the value m. So this should be m square, and simplify this, then it is 2. So if we put the value m, if we put the value, then it is m square plus 2 into square whole square minus 2 equals to m square whole square, just a plus b whole square, m square whole square plus 2ab, 2 into m square into 2 plus 2 square minus 2. There was a minus 2. We shouldn't forget that. So m to the power 4 plus 4m square plus 4 minus 2 equals to m to the power 4 plus 4m square plus 2. What was the right side? M to the power 4 plus 4m square plus 2. So we can write this is equals to right hand side. So this is proved. We can say the we have proved the left hand side equals to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side equals to right hand side. Proved. Thank you everyone. If you have a question, please write it in the comment box. I will try to answer to your question. Thank you.